Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to do these materials for your katana. So without further ado, let's begin. If you don't know what the Materialize software is, you can check out the link in the description below for the download link, and you just have to go to their website and click this button over here. So I won't do that because I already have mine here. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open the diffuse texture that we just made earlier. Okay, first things first, let's open the diffuse map and let's go to this one. Just press that little O letter, it's called for open, and go to the katana diffuse plane. It's no longer plane actually because we have painted on it already. Is this the one? Yes, it is the one. Okay, so we will be needing more like let's say height map, normal map, metallic map, and edge map. We're not going to use the smoothness and AO and onwards, but what we're going to use is the height map. So we're going to create that first. Let's press create, and where is that? Okay, we are going to use the displays mode. Just that, and set as height map. Very good with that. Now let's go to the normal map. Let's create one, and let's go over to, we're not going to open but we're going to create. Let's I think that was let me see, mids. Yes, that it's in mids, and we are going to set the, all you have to do is just to play around with these settings, and that's really entirely up to you. But if you wanted, you could just copy what I have right now, and let's just try to like 6 4 4 2, and let's move on to the next, and 2.3851. Nope, guess 50 will be nice. 0.5, but here we have to like put into 1.5 or something. Yeah, I think that will do. So let's set that up. And next is the metallic. We are going to go to the metallic setting, and let me just look at my cheat code over here. Let's just set this up a little higher over there, this a little lower. Yep, I guess that will do. Let's set this to 0, this one to 92. Oops, not that. 92. Next is 6.5. Next is 0.09. I guess that will do. Or it's I don't know, 0.09, 0. No, 0.951. Is that 951? Yeah, I guess that will do. Doesn't really matter. And let's set this one 0.001. Nope, it's too light. Just 0.1. Nope, 0.96. I guess this will do. Yep, that one will do. You'll get what I mean in a little bit. So let's just set this as a metallic map. And lastly, the edge map. Let's create the edge map. Let's just put this a little higher over here. So, okay, and let's play around with this numbers over here. Edge amount, let's say 0.3, and this will be 0.5, 0.5 as well. Pillow 1.2. This will be 2 point, I guess 2 will do, number 2. And final bias will be 0.04 or 5. Not bad. You might not understand me right now because um, it's not yet done. So we are going to save this whole project in JPEG and save that project somewhere in our file. Let's just call this, or let's just make another, create folder, materials. Let's rename this as materials. Okay, confirm. Save this as katana materials. Select, and we are good with that. Let's just put that down. Sort, view, medium icon, materials, edge, italic, original. Let's just put all of this here, and yep. Okay, here it is. So we are going to use all of these things, all of these textures in our blender. Now that we are here, let's just make this more realistic. So let's just hide this part first, and let's move this a little bit here and put that over there, because we only needed a little amount of space so we could see all of this part over here. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make this katana look shiny. So that's it guys for this episode. Join us next time wherein I will teach you how to prepare the shader editor for photo rendering. So basically I'll teach you how to do these nodes over here, but that will be for next episode. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell icon so you won't miss it. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.